Welcome to Jap Car Finder. Our new arrival, Nissan Elgrand. It is rider model, rider Autech 3.5 automatic petrol, full leather interior, 8-seater. Pearl white in color, and it has a cream leather interior as well. Privacy glass all the way around. Beautiful exterior, no rust patches, clean and tidy. These rider Autechs are top of the range Nissan Elgrands, especially these pearl white color. They look beautiful. All 4 alloy wheels are in pretty much good condition, and it has a very good tires on. This car will come with full year MOT and fully registered with DVLA. So basically you will get on the road included everything in the price. As you can see, it is superb condition throughout. Mileage is 100% guaranteed and backed up with all certificates and the mileage export certificate from Japan. We import all these cars ourselves, so we know exactly where they're coming from, and all mileage and other things are verified. This one has a keyless entry. As long as you have keys in your pocket, you can open and close just without the key. Basically, you can operate center locking with this one, or passenger side rear door is automatic as well, so can be operated with this one. Should open. I think the switch is off. Let me just on that one and I'll make another video. Okay, so switch was off for the automatic door. It's on now, so let's try. Here we go. It's very easy to open with the key, and same you can close it. So keyless entry, how does that work? As long as key is in my pocket, I can open, just press this button and it's fully locked now, and if you press again and it is open. Inside it has a cream leather interior, very clean and tidy. It has a non-smoker owner, so no unwanted smell in the car. Roof lining, dashboards and door cards are very clean and safe. Wooden door combination. Black carpet interior. No scratches on the side panels. The carpet says Highway Star, but it is not Highway Star, it is Rider. Originally all Rider have a cream carpet, but this one has been replaced with the Highway Star dark interior. It looks quite nice actually, it matches up with the cream interior. All door card you can see is quite nice, clean, no rips or tears on there. As you can see, the pearl shine in the color. Rear door card again, side straps very nice and tidy. So middle row of seats have always 3 seats, and the side 2 seats can be rotated towards back, like this one is one now. It's very easy to rotate. All you need to do, just click this button out and it will just rotate itself inside. You just need to make some room and push this middle to the back. Middle seat can be used for a cup holder, or you can use as an extra seat. There are some hidden spaces underneath this one for storage, cup holder, some extra storage, or this can be used as a tray. And the back row of seats always have 3 seats. Again, it's very clean, there is no marks or any paint marks or any other marks. Even floors you can see, quite nice. That can be pushed to the side like this one here. So it gives you extra room for luggage storage, or any movement if you want to move any stuff around. So it is Rider Autech. Autech means it has a little bit sport suspension, so it's much easier on the road to ride. So basically it's a bit more stiffer than the normal Elgrand. Rear there are plenty room, even your seats are down, you can still, at least you can put like 4 or 5 luggage in there. So that's quite easy to push seats to the side, and once seats are both are on the side, it's much easier to move things around. And it has a lot of storage underneath, and once your seats are down, you can see massive storage facility underneath. And all these seats can go flat, and it is very easy for 3 people to sleep in. Yeah, 3 might be pushing, but 2 very easily. Unless you are very skinny. Okay, so that's your other side. Both seats can be like this one. These cream leather in all Elgrand are very hard wearing, and they're easy to wipe off. So if you're worrying about having them stained, so it's really nothing to worry about, because you can just wash them easily with the fairy liquid or baby wipes. The wooden combination steering wheel looks amazing. By the way, this car has a Bose sound system, so it will be very nice to hear all music and everything. All electric windows and folding electric mirror. So we'll check the There we go. So we'll check the mirror first. That side working. So the both mirrors are working, and the electric folding mirror from this one here. A rear electric door can be operated from this switch, so you just press and hold. It should open and close. So it has only one electric door. Passenger side is manual. And this door, when I was trying to open with the electric, it was not opening because it has been switched off from here. So if kids are basically messing around, and if you want to make rear door as in manual, just turn it off from here. So it's on and off button there. So that's your one lever to open front bonnet and one for fuel cap. It still has original plastic covers on, so that tells you how good it has been looked after. That's the Bose sound system. I'll just turn volume up slightly. Okay, just turn this one off. Okay, goodbye. Good. So let me start the car. The car has a reverse parking camera and the side blind camera. So this button here for side blind, if you just press and hold, so that shows you a left and side blind spot when you're parking. And for reverse, it just automatically comes up. It automatically comes in a reverse. Boot is open, that's why just showing you the roof, but it is working. Dual climate control, air condition, heated system. It has two extra buttons for power and snow, so if you're stuck in a snow, you can make it a bit more powerful. All switches here for control volume. So that's basically it. If any question comes in mind, kindly feel free to call and I can answer all your questions. We have been importing these ones for a while, so we know exactly what they are, and if you have any problem, we can help you and advise you without any trouble. These are some other stock, and we do make special orders for customers from Japan, and if you are looking something we don't have in stock, we can take the list from you and order for you directly. The road tax on these one cost £255. No matter what age they are and what engine they are, any import car comes in the country will have always same road tax, £255, and normally they goes up a couple of pounds every year like anything else. So let me just repeat again, it is 3.5 automatic petrol, rider Autech, warranted mileage with export certificate and all other necessary documents. It will come with full year MOT, fully registered in with the DVLA, so you don't have to worry anything. And we can do finance this vehicle for you as well. So get in touch and be surprised. Thank you. Bye bye.